Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you a very special and very cool booth at IFA2023, and this is a Sharge brand, and they focus on very unique design and fast charging and high efficient electronic products, and like power bank, charger, and cable. Here are the main product, and also here we can find a very cool design powered by Sharge. So these are their products. The internet hotkey power bank. So it's get inspired from the Wonderland 2, a very popular movie in China. And the Morse charger. Yes, and also the power bank. So as we can see, they have a very unique design compared to the normal power banks. Also, the work efficient are high. For this, the most charger 40 watt. It's called 40 watt max output multi devices. Also have a light. So this is the internet hotkey power bank as well. It's very special, and the design is just a copy and one to one from the movie. And also these are the retro 35 DNA charger. It's got a transparent design LED display. We have a retro design, 35 watt charging speed, 100 power bank, 2500 capability, battery capability. It's got a big battery capacity. Yes, efficient life with sleek design and advanced tech from Sharge. So this is a very short review about booth. Thanks.